Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I am great. Thanks for your concern. How about you?
I'm great as well. Thank you for asking.
How's your day progressing so far?
It's a slow day today, so feeling good. Sometimes I really rush throughout the day, but yes, today I'm feeling a bit relaxed.
Composed and calm today.
Yes.
Okay. So before we go any further, let me tell you a little bit about myself.
Sure.
I am Gulshan. You might be seeing my name somewhere on the screen. I'm 57 years old and I belong to a place called Karnal in Haryana. Are you aware about this place?
Yes, yes, I'm aware.
Okay. What about you? Where are you from and what do you do?
I'm from Uttarakhand. I am a homemaker, a content creator, and a spoken English trainer. A tutor, you can say, not a trainer because I don't have any certifications, but an online tutor, you can say. I teach beginners and intermediates.
Okay. Online?
Yes, online.
And how long have you been engaged in this activity?
It's been a year.
Okay, so far so good.
Yes, it's going amazing.
Very well. So, what is the purpose then? You yourself are in our same fraternity. What brings you to this platform?
Yes, so as I already mentioned, I'm a content creator too, so it's a part of a paid collaboration. Moreover, I am getting an opportunity to polish my communication skills with expert trainers, so what's better than this? So, yes, I'm here to take advantage of it.
Mhm. Wonderful. So, paid collaborator means that what you are.
I'm in tie-up with EnglishYaari.
Oh,
I post their videos on my channel, so this is how it's a win-win situation for both of us.
wonderful, wonderful. So, you are going to make me famous as well.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. I didn't know that. Okay, so you got due permissions and everything from them.
Right, right.
Okay. And you are currently residing where in Uttarakhand,
In Uttarakhand itself, in my hometown.
which is
It's in Chamoli,
Chamoli. Okay.
right? It's a
You have to go
district.
from Rishikesh side. Which side do you have to reach there?
Yes, from Rishikesh. I guess it's around 6 to 7 hours from here, Rishikesh.
Okay. So it is somewhere like near the Tiri Dam and all that, or it is
Not very near, but how should I say? Have you heard of Almora, Gwaldar?
Almora. Almora is towards the Nainital side, right?
Right. So it's 3 hours from here.
Oh,
Almora is 3 hours from
Almora is
here.
3 hours. Okay. So you are somewhere between Kumaon and both the regions. You are somewhere in the
Hmm.
middle. Somewhere.
Right. Almost at the border of Kumaon.
Okay. Jim Corbett is nearby.
Not nearby. It's in Nainital.
Okay, that
So
is.
I'm in a village area,
Mhm.
not near to cities actually.
Okay. And you have been like, how did you get in touch with? How are you so passionate about the language? When did it strike you or something?
I just stumbled upon this idea one sudden day, and it was 1 year ago when I stumbled upon this idea. I was scrolling through my YouTube, and then I came across a conversational video, and then I thought this is something I can also do. Like
Mhm.
people were practicing their English with one another, so I thought it seems doable, and let me also try my hands at it. And then I created my channel then and there and started posting my videos also on the channel, and somehow it worked for me. I turned lucky in a way,
Mhm.
and that's how I have been posting consistently on my channel for over a year and getting good response from people.
So you have been monetized and
Yes, yes,
you're
that
earning
is
from it.
monetized. Mhm.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, what you would like to talk about today? Tell me. Have you
uh,
seen topic?
yes, yes, let's do a topic based discussion.
Okay, that will be nice. So, early retirement. So, what do you mean by early retirement?
Mhm. Like in India, the standard age of retirement is around 60, 50 or 60, right? So when people retire before the age, before the standard age, then we can say they're retiring early. It's an early retirement,
What
right?
are some of the things we should keep in mind if we have need to retire early?
We should have enough money in our bank account, and there should be security.
Hmm.
Or what else? I think money matters when it comes to retirement. It matters the most. Other than that, what else? With money, you can get everything. You can
Right.
get
This is the answer
healthcare
to
assistant
everything.
also, right?
Money
You
is the
will
key
be.
to almost it unlocks all the locks. Money is,
Yes.
yeah.
Hmm.
But like you in your job, I mean, would you consider yourself to be fully employed, or this is kind of a freelancer job
Mhm.
where you have flexibility of hours working?
Yes, we have flexibility because we are our own bosses. Like I'm running a few WhatsApp groups actually. There are three WhatsApp groups that are run by us, my friend and I. Whenever we are available, we conduct sessions, and this is how we are helping our learners smoothen their journey,
Hmm.
right? We help them like wherever they need any assistance. We help them that way. We conduct sessions for them, grammar sessions also, and then speaking practice too. So whenever we are available, as per our convenience. So there is a lot of flexibility.
So, what are some of the professions which don't have a retirement age? For example, politics may be one.
Right. Politics, and if you are into freelancing also, so you can work as long as you can.
Hmm.
Then there are other unconventional jobs also,
Hmm.
like if you're a beautician, so you're already skilled, you can drag it as far as you can.
Hmm.
And if I talk about government jobs, then they have certain limit. After a certain years of age, you have to get retired.
Hmm.
Other than that, after government jobs, in private jobs, I don't think there is any age limit, right?
Right. There is, and I mean, if there are corporate jobs, there are some limits. But
Mhm.
if you are a proprietor or if you are your self-owned business, then there is
Mhm.
practically no age. If you have a
Right,
shop, for example, you can sit as long as your, health permits you to sit.
right,
So
right. So
those
mostly the
are,
restriction is for government job only.
yes. Private jobs, they let you go because private jobs are very competitive. So as and when they see the efficiency, decreasing, they would let you go. Even that can be even before the retirement age.
Yes, they
There's no
don't prefer.
possibility. Yeah, they want to slave you out. If they have given you a job these days, particularly.
Sometimes they can't even pay you as much as you deserve, as per your experience or as per your skills. So they always prefer new talents,
Yes,
freshers,
that's what I'm saying.
because you need not to pay much and
Yeah,
then you are getting your work done.
exactly. So experience is not what they look for, or they can pay for these days. So
Cost friendly alternative.
cost cutting is going on. This is the new buzzword. How to cut
Hmm.
cost to survive in this, relentless world, as to speak.
Yes.
So, but you are in this very fulfilling job. I mean, if you have any aspirations for your, traveling or anything, so do you have some wish list that you want to cover or you want to fulfill?
Yes, in my wish list or in my vision board, there is a dream house, a traditional Uttarakhandi house. Have
Hmm.
you seen it?
I cannot place it. I cannot picture it. Although I have spent some time in Uttarakhand as well,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know how a typical Uttarakhandi house looks like. Maybe kind of a hut or
Uh,
something.
these days, people are making it with a blend of both traditional and modern.
Modernity. Okay.
Right, right. So that way, I would like to have it. And this is one thing. Apart from that, there are no other desires as such as of for now. But this is one thing that I'm really aiming for in my life. So yes.
Although you are not in this profession or league where you are looking at an environment where you will retire, you already maybe perhaps are in that environment
Hmm.
and feel that you have already retired, or you may be working. So but there are some, for the conventional people, for the conventional jobs, there are some pros and cons, downside, upsides. So what can you say about that?
Hmm. If I talk about pros,
Mm.
then if they were into any conventional job, so they'll feel secure after the retirement,
Mm.
right? That's one thing. They can also follow their passion after that. Once they are retired at 60, so they'll have enough time to follow their passion or to take rest, to do
Mm.
whatever they enjoy. Some people get indulged in gardening also. They really enjoy being with nature, being with family,
Mm.
right? So there are a lot of things, whatever they enjoy, they can invest their time in after retirement. If I talk about cons, then some people feel lost because when they were working, they had many friends, many colleagues to share their things with. But after the retirement, they get confined to these four walls if they have nothing else to do,
Mm.
right?
Right.
So they feel lonely, right? And nobody cares which job they held when they were working, right? Now they are nothing, just an ordinary person. So they might feel that loss of identity also.
Mm.
They don't get that kind of respect anymore. So there they might feel fear of missing out, right? So that's one thing. Apart from that, sometimes when they don't have routine
Mm-hmm.
or purpose, they
Mm-hmm.
feel completely lost, and they spend their time in simply lazing around
Mm-hmm.
and deteriorating their health even more, right? By doing all these kind of activities,
Mm-hmm.
they get indulged into drinking also.
Mm-hmm.
They become alcoholic,
Right.
right?
They may become.
And right, and they get into many bad habits too.
Yes.
And then,
They say that, empty mind is a devil's workshop, so there's nothing to do. So why not indulge
yes.
in something?
Uh-huh. And there is one this funny thing also, that sometimes people go to office to escape from their household arguments and everything, but when they are retired, so they have to bear with it,
You have to
right?
face the music, so to say.
Yes, face the music. True, true, true.
Yes. We see many people that, okay, of course, everything has, the advantages and disadvantages. So one thing of the early advantage is that you can do what is close to your heart, which maybe, you miss out during the working hours. So if you had one opportunity, you even if you could give up this what you are doing, which takes up your time, or your family obligations are also satisfied or met with, what is one thing that you would desperately like to do?
For me,
Yes, you.
after all my family obligations are met,
Everything. There's a lot of time. There's a lot of resources. Everything. Just you. You are the
I
center.
would like to travel the world,
Hmm.
explored India first and then explored outside world also. This is something I would love to do.
So
I would love to get
order
into spirituality also in
spirituality.
a
Okay.
deeper manner.
Meditation is your thing. I mean, do you indulge in yoga or meditation
Mhm.
sometimes?
Not yet, not yet, but maybe
Maybe.
after getting retired.
Mhm. So called. There's no retirement for you in this job. You'll have to
But
create
yes,
your own retirement age, right?
after getting retired from my obligations.
Obligations, yes. Which they never do. I mean, some
Mhm.
obligation still remains.
It's just an illusion.
Yeah, it's an illusion. I have sent my both sons to Canada. I think that my obligation is over, but
Mhm.
every now and then something comes or the other. I mean,
Mhm.
I get sucked into that obligation. So it's a myth, I think, that we will be free from all obligations and responsibilities. But nevertheless, we like to believe that one day will come that when we'll be totally free from.
Mhm.
Yeah,
But it never happens. Parents are always worried till their last breath.
right. When our parents used to worry for us, and we used to think why they bother so much with us, but then when we become parents we realize that
True.
how much it is required, and how much we, like, even if we try we cannot escape from such a thought.
So true, so true.
So I will only say that it's pleasure meeting you, and uh, that you the wonderful work that you are doing. It brings so much in, knowledge and care for the people around you. I don't know who's your target audience, how you have chosen your target audience, but who are the people who connect to you the most? Any age group?
Mostly housewives,
Okay, the homemakers are your main.
right?
And how do they find you? How do you market yourself?
They find me through YouTube.
Yeah,
So
YouTube,
from
but
there.
how does it spread to the people?
Mhm.
I mean, is there a way, SEO, or how you
Mhm.
can, stay
Mhm.
relevant or
Mhm.
prominent in your this thing?
Yes, so I'm mostly into conversational videos. So whosoever searches for conversational videos, so my video might pop up on their
Features there, है
screen.
ना? Features there. So you
Right.
use any tools like hashtags and all that to promote?
There are no certain hashtags that will work, like no hashtags give that guarantee.
Uh-huh.
But like these days, mostly people are into English. They are
Mm.
looking for English related videos.
Right,
So our videos also get featured on
right.
their feed, and they might click on it, and then they get to know about our groups also. From there, they contact us and be the part of our
And
community.
how what about the technicalities of the video, sharing or editing them? Have you learned all the tricks by yourself
Yes, by myself.
through YouTube and all that?
Not through YouTube, but just by experiencing it on my own.
Okay. So
Mhm.
you edit yourself, or you have to add something features to it. You do it yourself.
Yes, the editing part is simple for us because we just add subtitles,
Okay.
and sometimes we crop our videos in a certain way, like side by side.
Hmm.
So, not much of editing.
Okay.
So, it's an easy task to do.
So it's a one-woman show.
Yes,
Okay. So best of luck for your channel, and it was wonderful speaking to you. So I hope we connect some other day. So
definitely.
have
Same
a
here. It was an amazing experience with you.
thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Same to you, sir. Bye. Take care.
You too.